Today's study I was completed that factorization teachers, and today we'll discuss about new topic that today is the crash course of statics. Today's crash course of statics. Today's crash course of statistics will discuss about mean, median, range, mode, and standard deviation. Crash course. Today we are discuss crash course. Crash course of statistics. STATIS. Crash course of statistics. Today we are discuss about full concepts and tricks of this statics topic. We are discuss about crash course of statics. Whole concept of statics. In these topics, we are going to discuss about mean, median, mode, range, and standard deviations. And standard deviations. We are going to discuss about these topics: mean, median, mode, range, and standard deviation. Mean, median, mode, range, and standard deviations. We are discuss. Let's say moves. What is the meaning of mode? You have to understand what is the meaning of this. Let's well move on the meaning of mode. Some things you have to understand about meaning of mode. This mean means what? What is the meaning of mean? What does mean say? Mean, that mean means, the meaning of mean means you have to understand that central tendency of data. Mean means central. Mean means central tendency. Central tendency of data. Central tendency of data is called mean. Mean means central tendency of data, which is called mean, which is called means, which is called means. Then what is the formula of mean? Summation x by n. Means this means total sum. This means total sum. You have to do sum. Number of sum, total sum by this number of observation. This number of observations अथवा numbers of item. There is first formula of this mean is summation by n. So total sum. You have to add all these number. And how much number? You have to divide. I will give you some practice questions. Question number one. Question number one is that two, three, three, 6, 7, 9, and 12. Then what is mean? How to calculate the value of mean? You have to understand. Then we will calculate mean. First I will give one options. Then it will be good. Suppose this is the options to, you have to calculate the mean. Then mean, that mean means that summation x by number of observation. This number of observations, you have to do first sum all the value. All the value you have to do sum. This 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7. And total sum is that is 42 divided by 7. It means 6. 6 into 7 means 42. This divided by this to get this. So answer is option number B is correct answer. And we will discuss another questions. That question is like this: 1, yes, 1 by half, 1 by half, 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 2, 1 by half, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Suppose this is question, and you have to find out mean. You have to find out mean. You have to find out. You have to find out mean. Then how to find out mean? This question is mentioned 1 comma 1 by half comma 1 by half comma 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 is mentioned in this question. Then how to find out mean? So we have formula. Mean. Mean means summation x by n. Total sum divided by n. Then you have to understand how to do this sum. First, you have to add this one. 1 half plus half to make 1. Yes. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 4 divided by 4 means this is also 1. And 2 plus 1 by half means 2.5. And 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 means this is also 1. 4 3 plus 1 4 divided 4 means 1. Means 1 2.5 means 3.5 plus 1 4.5 plus 1 5.5 plus 1 6.5. It means 6.5 divided by this number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 divided by 9. It means 65 by 90, which is called 13 by 80, which is called 13 by 80. What is this option? Option number A is correct answer. Option number A is correct answer. Let's we'll move another question. Let's we'll move on another questions. Let's we'll move on another practice questions. Suppose I will give this questions. Suppose I will give this question 1. Find out mean. 1, 2, 10, 18, 17, 3, 9. What is mean? You have to find. What is mean? You have to find. What is mean? You have to find. Mean means you have to do sum. All these values sum and divided by how much number is this? Like those 1 plus 2 plus 10 plus 18 plus 70 plus 3 plus 9. And you have to divide how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 divided by 7. And this total sum is 70 divided by 7, which is 10 answer. So option A is correct answer. Mean means first you have to do sum all this value and divided by how many value are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So divide by 7, you will get 10 answer. Again you have to practice. Again I will give you another question. The mean, important question. The mean of 2 4 6 8 p and 10 is 7. Yes. Then find the value of p. Find the value of p. Find the value of p. You have to find the value of p. Suppose option is like this, and you have to find the value of p. And the mean is mentioned. The mean is 2 4 6 8 p and 10 each 7. Yes, mean is 7 and this number is mentioned, and find the value of p. And we have formula. Mean means summation x by n, yes, and that mean value is mentioned 7. Mean is 7. Mean value is mentioned 7, and you have to do this total sum by number of item. Total sum by number of item, that is number of observation. So total sum means you have to sum all these value, means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus p, and it means plus, this is 10, divided by number of item, that is 6. 1 2 3 4 5, and this 10 include, you will get 6. So this 7 into 6 means 42 is equal to, you have to sum these all, that is 20 plus p. So 42 minus 20 is equal to p. Then what is the value of p? 22. Where is this option 22? And that option 22, that C is the correct answer. This is also competitive questions. This question is asked in competitive exam. This question is one of the most important questions. You have to know. You have to know. This is third number question. Question number 3. This 5 is the mean. 5 is the mean. 5 is the mean of 10 observation. 5 is the mean of 10. 5 is the mean of 10 observations. That observations is added. This is most important question. Observations is added. This is tricky questions with 2, and today we'll discuss all static question, and then multiply. MCQ tricky. Then multiply. This is most tricky with 3. With 3. Now, now, new mean will be what? Most important question. New mean will be what? So option number is like this: 15, 17, 6 DFS. This is most important question. First, tricks. First, 5. 5 is the mean of 10 observation. Yes, 5 is the mean of 10 observation. So 5 is the mean of 10 observation. You have to do this. 5 is the mean of 10 observation. So write down in 5, and observation is added with 2. This observation is added with 2. This observation is added with 2 is equal to 7. Then multiply with 3. Then multiply with 3. It become 21. It become 21 answer. Shortcut. Question question is saying that 5 is the mean of 10 observation. 5 is the mean of 10 observation, and this observation is added with 2. This 5 is the mean of 10 observation, and this observation is added with 2. So we have to add 2. Then multiply with 3. Total sum is 7. Then you have to multiply with this number to get 21. To get 21. To get 21. To get 21. Yes. And we'll discuss about this. Now we'll discuss some things about concept of range, and we'll practice more and more. What is the meaning of range? Range means simple definitions. Difference between. If you understand this lecture, then you have all concept of statics in these topics. Very excellent tricks. Difference between highest value minus lowest value. Highest value, I'll give you all trick. Minus lowest value means smaller value. Higher value minus smallest value, which is called range. Which is called range. We have trick to do many conceptual questions. We have trick to do many conceptual questions. Range greater than is equal to 0. This is most important concept. If you want to take the answer of competitive exams, you have to understand this. Range greater is equal to 0. So range never negative. You have to understand this also. Range never negative. Never negative. It means you have to understand range is always positive. Range is always positive. You have to understand up to here. You have to understand this concept. Range greater than is equal to 0. Range greater than is equal to 0. Range is never negative. So range is always positive. You have to understand like this. You have to understand like this. Suppose I will give examples how to find out a range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find out a range. You have to find out a range. Option number. How to find out a range? You have range means I will already give you higher value minus lower value. Range means higher value minus lower value, which is called range. Range means higher value minus lower value. The higher value is that 5. 5 is higher value. 5 is higher value and lower value is 1. Higher value 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So answer is C number. Higher value minus lower value is equal to range. You have to understand this formula. Now question number 3. 2. What is the value of this range? Option number is 2, 3, 5 and D is 0. What is the value of this range? You have to do range means higher value minus lower value. Higher value is 2 and lower value is also 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So option number D is right answer. Option number D is right answer. Option number D is right answer. Range means higher value minus lower value. You have to read. And range always greater than equal to 0. You have to understand. Range is always positive. You have to never block the answer in negative. Range is always negative and you have to focus on your mind. Range greater or equal to 0 होने गर्छ. And another question of range is like this 33, 64, 81, 42, 58, 76, 35, 90, 92. Then how to find out range? Option number is 60, B number 59, C number 81, D number 85. We have tricks. Range formula. Range means higher value minus lower value. You have to read. Which one of the following is higher value? 92 is the higher value and lower value is this 33. Higher value is 92 minus 33, that is 59 is the answer. 59 is the answer. So option B is correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. So option B is correct answer. And we'll talk about mode. We'll talk about mode. Mode. We'll discuss about mode. This is important for competitive exam. What is mode? Mode means you have to understand highest repeating frequency. Highest repeating mode means highest repeating frequency. That is called mode. Mode means highest repeating frequency, which is called mode. What is mode? Mode means highest repeating frequency is called mode. Is called mode. Highest repeating frequency is equal to mode. There is a relationship of mode. Mode you have to understand 3 median minus 2 means you have to read this formula. If there is mention median and mean and you have to find mode, then you have to read this formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 means I will already derive this formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 means. You have to focus on this formula. You have to read this formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 means. Mode means highest repeating frequency, which is called mode. Mode means highest repeating frequency is called mode. Suppose I will give examples how to solve this tax. Mode 1 1 7 2 5 4 1. Then what is the answer of mode? Option number A is 2, B number 3, C is 1, and D is 0. Which one of the following is a mode? So for mode you have to look highest repeating frequency. One 3 times, other is only one times. So highest repeating frequency is 1. So 1 is the right answer. Highest repeating frequency. Mode means highest repeating frequency. 1 is repeated 3 times. So 1 is the highest. So 1 is the right answer. And question number 2 is that 1 4 1 2 9 6 4. Which one of the following is mode? Which one of the following is mode? You have to understand how many times 1 1 is repeated 2 times. Yes, 1 1 is repeated 2 times, and this 4 4 is repeated also 2 times. So 1 and 4 both are right answer. 1 is repeated 2 times. This 4 is also repeated 2 times. Both are equal. So both and B are right answer. That is 1 and 4 are right answer. Option C is correct answer. And we'll discuss three number. We'll discuss on three numbers. That 15, 17, 15, 17, 16, 17, 17, 17, like this. Then which one of the following is a mode? Which of the following is a mode? Mode means the highest repeating frequency. Highest repeating frequency. Which one of the following is the highest repeating frequency? That 15, 15, 2 times only. 15 is 2 times, and 17 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 70 is 5 times repeating. Means highest number of repeating is, that is called mode. So 17 is the mode. Mode means highest repeating frequency. Many times repeating, that 17, 17, 70, 70, 70. So 70 is the correct answer for highest repeating. And we'll discuss another number, which 4 number. This 1 2 2 3 3 4 5. Yes, option number is like 2, option number B is 3, C 4, D both A and B. Both A and B. Both A and B. Mode means 1 is repeating 1 times, 2 is repeating 2 times, and 3 is repeating 2 times. So which one of the following is mode? 2 and 3 are the mode. दुईवटा योमा पनि छ, टुटा मोड योमा पनि छ. So दुवै मोड भयो. 2 and 3 are the mode. So both A and B are correct answer. Mode भनेको you have to understand like this. Mode is repeating, this 2 is repeating 2 times, 3 is repeating 2 times. So both are mode. 2 and 3 are mode. So answer was on option number D is correct answer. Suppose I will give another practice question, 5 number. That 5 number 1 2 2 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, comma 6. Then which one of the following is mode? Which one of the following is mode? Which one of the following is mode? 1 is repeating only one times, as 2 is repeating 2 times, 3 is repeating 2 times, 4 is repeating 2 times. So 2, 3, 4 are the mode. 2 is also mode, 2 times repeating. Equal times, the 3 is also mode, 4 is also mode. Because equal times of repeating, so the 2, 3 and 4 are the mode. So option goes on all. All is correct answer. Now we'll discuss question number 6. Which of the following is a mode? Which one of the following is a mode? That 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then which one of the following is mode? 2, 3, 4, 5. Mode means highest repeating number. That is called mode. Mode means 2, 2, 2 repeating 3 times. Another is repeating 1 only times. 3, 4, 5 only times. So highest repeating frequency which is called mode. So 2 is the correct answer. So 2 is the correct answer. So 2 is the correct answer, and we'll discuss on another. Suppose question is like this. Suppose which one of the following is mode? This 2 2 is given as 2 2. Which one of the following is mode? Option is like this. This is very important questions. Which one of the following is a mode? In number is suppose none. Then which one of the following is mode? That is mode means highest repeating frequency. Highest repeating frequency. Highest repeating frequency. That is called mode. But there is only one number 222 many times repeating, yes, many times occurring, this 2222222. So there is no mode, means zero. You have to tick zero, none. Option is like this: 1 2 3 4 5. So there is no mode because this number is repeating, only numbers is repeating many times. So there is no mode, none. There is no mode. Why? Because this numbers is repeating, same number is repeating occurrence. So there is no mode. Highest repeating frequency because there is only 2 is repeating. So there is no mode. Now another examples I will take. If median, this is importance. If median is equal to 3, mean is equal to 2, then 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 find value of mode. How to find out value of mode? We have relations, we have relations, we have relations. So what is the relations of mode? You have to understand 3 median minus 2 means, you have to read this relations. Mode means 3 median minus 2 means, you have to read this relation. So mode is equal to 3, median is there mentioned, median is mentioned 3, and 2 into mean is also median mentioned 2. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. If median is equal to 3, mode is equal to 2, then find the value of mode. If median and mean is mentioned, then you have to use the formula of mode. 3 median minus 2 mean. So median is given 3. It means 3 into 3 minus mean is also mentioned 2. 2 into 2. So 3 into 3 means 9. Minus 4 is equal to 5. Option goes on B number is correct answer. B number is right answer. B number is correct answer. B number is correct answers, and you have to study about today median. How to solve median? We will discuss about median topic. What is the meaning of median? How to solve this median question? Now we will discuss on median. What is the meaning of median? You have to discuss about median. Median means you have to understand it is the middle value. You have to understand some things. Median means middle value. Median means simply you have to understand middle value as middle value, and you have to arrange ascending order. You have to arrange in ascending order. You have to understand this middle value. And if you want to write this median definition, medians is the middle value. You have to write like this. Medians is the middle value. Medians is the middle value in the list of number. In in the list of number, in the list of numbers are arranged in ascending order. Numbers are arranged. Numbers are arranged ascending order. Ascending. Numbers are arranged in ascending order अथवा descending order. You have to understand this meaning. Median भनेको, median means you have to understand middle value and you have to write in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this you have to arrange, and you have to take the middle value. If they are odd, directly you have to take middle value. If they are even, you have to take middle term plus 1 divided by 2. You have to apply this. I will give tricks. I will give trick for this questions. I will give trick for median. I will provide you tips and tricks for the median. Suppose tips number one. I will give two tricks. Median trick number one. If number is odd, if number is odd, if number is odd, then you have to take middle value. Then take middle value. If number is 1, then take middle value. I will give you examples also. If number is odd, then you have to take the middle value. If number is odd, then you have to take the middle value. Trick number 2, median trick. Trick number 2 is if number is if number of term if number of term is even number, then you have to take average of middle to term. Average of middle to term. Then you have to take average of middle to term. This is the trick. Median trick. If the number is odd, you have to take middle value. If number is odd, you have to take middle value. If number is even, you have to take the average of middle to term. You have to take the average of middle to term. You have to take the average of middle to term. Suppose I will give example. From this trick, I will give their examples. 1, 4, 7, 2, 9, 10, 6. Yes, then you have to find you have to find median. You have to find their median. How to find out median? You have to understand how to find median. Median, how to find? First you have to write in ascending order. First and foremost, you have to write in ascending order, then answer will come from the concept. First you have to write ascending order. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. Yes, this is in ascending order. This is correct ascending order. And if number of the term is odd or evens, you have to look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If number of term is even odd number, if number of the term is odd, then you have to take the middle value. If numbers of the term is odd, that is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is odd number, so you have to take this middle value. So median means 6 is the answer. If they are odd number, that 6 is the 100% right answer. That is 6 is 100% right number. 6 is 100% right. If not understand, then I have another formula for this odd number. For odd number, that is n plus 1 by 2 as n plus 1 by 2. If numbers number how many number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this 7 plus 1 by 2, 7 plus 1 by 2 means 8 by 2 is equal to fourth, that is fourth term, that is fourth term. Which one of the following is fourth term? One, first term, second term, third, fourth. So 6 is the answer. 6 is the fourth term. You have to find like odd case n plus 1 by 2 in the case of median. Athwa, if they are odd, then you have to direct take the middle value and you'll get the answer of median. You'll get the answer of median. And I will give second concept examples. I will provide you second concept examples. I will give you second concept examples uh, that that is like this: 1 4 7 2 9 6. Then option number is like this: 1 3 5 7. Find out the median. How to find out median? First, you have to arrange the order in ascending order. You have to write this: arrange the order. If you are finding the median, first you have to arrange the order in ascending. Arrange the order in ascending order. Ascending order. Arrange the order in ascending order. That is like this: 1 2 4 6 7 9. Yes, you have to go count. This is odd or even number. You have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is even number. Yes, if they are even number, then you have to do, if they are even number, then you have to do average of middle to term. This is middle to term, and you have to take average of middle to term. Then you will get this answer: 6 plus 4 plus 6 and then divided by 2. This is the average of middle to term if they are in even. 1 2 3 4 5 6, so they are even. If they are even, then you have to take the average of middle to term, 4 plus 6 and divided by 2. You have to do divide by 2 in the case of even. So there is 10 by 2, which means 5, which means 5. So answer is C number. So answer will be 5. So answer will be 5. So that answer is 5. So that answer is 5 number. Now we'll move on another question for practice these types of questions. Let's we move. Mm, Let's we move. 55, 56, 53, 61, 59, 69, 33. Yes. Find the median. First you have to arrange. Suppose I will give you option randomly. Suppose I will give this option. Yes. Suppose I will give this option. Suppose I will give this option. Then how to find out median? How to find out median? First you have to arrange. First you have to arrange the order in ascending order. First you have to arrange in ascending order. Suppose arrange in ascending order. You have to understand this. You have to first write down first ascending order like this: 31, 53, 55, 56. First you have to arrange 56. Then there is also 59, 61, 69. You have to arrange like this. First you have to arrange. If you arrange, then you have to count. This is odd number or even number. You have to understand this. This is odd number or even number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You have to count. This is odd or even number. This 7 means this is odd number. If they are odd number, then you have to take the middle value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is 3 and there is 3. If they are odd, so middle value is 56. Middle value is 56. So that answer goes on 56. Option number C is correct answer. Or another case is that if they are odd, then you have to do like this: n plus 1 divided by 2. N means number of item. Number of items: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which means 8 by 2, which is fourth term. You have to take the fourth term. Which is the fourth term? So 56 is the fourth term. That answer goes on 56. Or if first you have to do arrange the order in ascending order, and if you understand then you have to find if they are in odd. यदि बिजोरा संख्यामा छ भने you have to take the middle value. This is middle value, and direct 56 is the correct answer. That option C is 100% right answer. Or another formula for case of odd is that n plus 1 by 2. N means number of item. How many item are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write down in 7, and formula there is plus 1. So plus 1 divided by 2. So answer goes on 56. And we have to again practice another question. Let's move some practice. That question is that question number 3. So 50, 40, 100, 75, 70, 95, 65, and 75. Question is like this. Question is like this. Question is like this, and you have to find median. While you are finding medians, you have to better understand, Mr. Option. Median means first you have to write down, arrange the order in ascending order. First you have to arrange. Yes. First you have to arrange the order in ascending. You have to write down in ascending order. Yes. First you have to write down in ascending order like this. You have to write down in ascending order. You'll better understand the meaning of ascending better than me. So first you have to do ascending order, and then you have to count. This is odd number or even number. Number of term. This is odd or even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. S. This is even number. So this is even. This is even. If they are even, then you have to take the average of middle to term. Then you have to take the average of middle to term. This is the middle to term, and you have to divide it by 2. Average of middle to term. So 70 plus 25 divided by 2, which means 72.5. Which means 72.5 is the correct answer. That option goes on B. Number is correct answer. 72.5 is 100% correct answer for finding the median. For finding the median. For finding the median. Let's will practice another questions also about the median. Let's will practice another question about the median. We'll practice another question about the median. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one of the following is median? Suppose option is like this. Find out median. Which one of the following is the median? How to find? First you have to arrange. Arrange. Arrange the order in ascending order. First you have to arrange the order in ascending order. This is only. Then you have to do in second case you have to find this is odd number or even number. Then answer will come. Any question of this median. First you have to arrange. This is already arranged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is already arranged, and you have to think this is odd or even up to 7. So this is odd. This is odd number. 7 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is odd. and you have to take the middle value. This 4 is the middle value. Yes, this 4 is middle value for finding the median, and this is odd number. So option B 4 is the correct answer. This is middle term, and this is in odd. If number of items are in odd, now this is in odd, so you have to take the middle value, and that will be the correct answer. And that will be the correct answer. And that will be the correct answer. That will be the correct answer. Have you understand the relationships of mean median or not, mister? Have you understand or not? I will give some questions of practice. Mean, median, mode, like this. Yes? Are you ready to do practice or not? Are you ready? Mean, median, mode, I will teach you. Range also. And I will give some practice questions regarding as mean, median, mode. Many questions I will give in practice. Let's move on practice. Let's move on practice. Yes, let's move on practice by tricky. Now we'll go on tricks for practice all the question of statics. Now suppose I'll give one question. From one question you will practice mean, median, mode and range. That one, like this is the questions. Yes. So you have to find mean. You have to find mean. You have to find out median. You have to find out median. In one question you'll find all. You have to find out mode. I'll practice many. You have to find out range. Yes. The how to do mean, how to find out mean. Yes, you have to find mean means you have to first you have to do sum. Yes, first 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 13, and divided by you have to do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, you have to do like this. So you have to do in calculator this plus this plus this plus this plus 6 plus 7 plus 30 divided by theory. It means 5.29 is the answer of mean. First you have to sum. First you have to sum these all number, divide by number of term 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the number of term, and you have to divide this sum divided by 7 is equal to this. And median means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. As they are odd number. If they are odd number, then you have to take the middle value, that is median. So median is 4 if they are in odd. If the questions is in odd, then you have to take the middle value. That 4 is the answer. You have to find out range. Then you have to find out highest repeating frequency. One is repeating one times, two is repeating one times, yes, but four is repeating two times. Another is repeating one time. So mode is 4. So mode is 4. So mode is 4. Range means a higher value minus lower value, higher value minus lower value, higher value is 13 and lower value is 1. So answer is 12. So answer is 12. So answer is in 12. So answer is 12. Now again we'll practice another questions. We'll practice many questions of mean, median, mode and the range. We'll practice many questions. Find out mean. We have whole concept of this mean, median, mode and range. You have to find this. Find out mean. How to find out mean? Mean means first you have to sum all these value. Yes. First you have to sum all these value divided by this number 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 6. So 32 divided by 6 is equal to 16 by 13. 16 by 13 is the answer. Median means first you have to arrange. This is already arranged 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is even number. Yes. So you have to take the average of two term. Average of two term means 3 plus 6 divided by 2. Average means you have to add 3 plus 6 and divide by 2. That means average of 2. Middle two term 6 plus 3 divided by 2 means 9 by 2, which means 4 by 5. Mode means you have to find highest repeating frequency. 1 is repeating one times, 3 is repeating 2 times, 6 is repeating 1 time, 6, 7 is repeating 1 times, and 12 is repeating 1 time. So highest repeating frequency is 3. So mode is 3. And you have to find a range. Range means higher value minus a smaller value. Thulo minus sano, that is equal to range. 12 minus 1, that is 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 is the range. That is 11 is the range. 12 minus 1, which is 11 is to 1. That is the concepts to finding these types of question. Now we'll discuss again more and more practice about mean, median, mode, and range. Again, we have practiced many questions regarding as mean, medians, and range. Let's we move another question. One, you have to practice. Two, three, four. One, two, three, four, four. Again, say it. Yes. Find out mean. What is mean? Median, range. You have to practice mean, median, as mode, and the range. You have to understand all these questions. Finding mean means first you have to do sum of all values. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 as divided by. First you have to do sum and divided. How many number you are going to sum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so divide by 7. And total sum is that 22 divided by 7. So mean is 22 by 7. If you are going to find median, first you have to arrange. Yes, this already in arrange. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. If they are odd number, for finding the median, if they are odd number, then you have to take the middle value. If you are going to finding these medians and this number are in odd 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, as 7 number that is odd, then you have to find the median. So this median means middle value. 3 is the median. Mode means highest repeating frequency. This 4 4 is the highest repeating frequency. So mode is 4, and range means bigger value minus a smaller value. So 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, which is range, which is range. Let's will give you another examples of finding mean, median, mode. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6. You have to find mean, median, mode, range. Finding mean, median, mode, range. How to find out mean, median, mode, and range? This is the questions, but you have to find mean, median, mode, range. Mean means first you have to sum all these values. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 as divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6, which is 80 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Median means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is odd and even number. Yes, even number. If you want to finding the median, and we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is even number. Yes, for median even number. So you have to take the average of middle two term. 2 plus 3 divided by 2. 5 divided 2 means 2.5. This is median. Mode means highest repeating frequency. 1 is repeating 1 times, 2 is repeating 2 times, 3 is repeating 1, 4 is repeating 1 time, 6 is repeating 1 time. So 2 is the highest frequency for repeating. So mode is 2. Range means bigger value minus a smaller value. Largest minus a smallest. Largest value is 6 and the smallest value is 1. So range means 5. 5 is the range. So range is 5. So that range is 5. So that range is 5. So that range is 5. Let's we'll move on another practice questions regarding mean, median, mode. We have to practice mean, median, mode. Full concept. We'll again give you another questions about mean, median, mode. S 1, 2, 4, 4, 6, 7. S. You have to do practice. Find mode, find range. You have to practice. Find median, find mean. S. Mode means highest repeating. 1 is repeating 1 times, 2 is repeating 1 times, 4 is repeating 2 times, another 6 1 time, 7 1 time. So highest repeating frequency is 4. So mode is 4. Range means bigger value minus the smallest. This minus this. That is highest value minus the smallest value. 7 is the highest value and the smallest value is 1. So range means 6. And median means first arrange. This is already arranged, and if they are odd or even, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is even number. So you have to take average of two number. This 4 plus 4 average divided by 2. That is median. 8 divided 2, which is 4. So 4 is the median. And mean means you have to sum all these value. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by the 6, which is 24 divided by 6, which is 4. Mean is 4. That is 4. You have to understand that is 4. Let's move on another practice questions about mean, median, mode. 1, 2, 4, 4, 6, 7, 30. Yes, this is the questions. This is the questions. You have to practice mean, mean, mean. Find mean. We'll put in your device. We'll put in your memory about mean, median, mode, range. Sure. Anyhow, find out mean. If you are going to find mean, then you have to sum all these values. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 30, yes, divided by this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 number. And as if you do calculation, this total sum divided by 7, then you will get 5.29 in calculator. 5.29 in calculator. First you have to sum this, divide by 7, you will get 5.29. Median means, and you have to arrange this number. This is already in arrange, and you have to count. This is in odd or even. This is in odd or even. Mr. Dhokdia solve X as Mr. Rohan. Median you have to find as median means you have to count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As this is odd number. As if they are odd, this is odd number. If they are in odd, then you have to take the middle value. You have to take simply middle value. So middle value is 4. So median is 4. Mode means highest repeating frequency you have to take. Highest repeating frequency is 4 for 2 times repeating. So mode is 4. Range means bigger value minus the smaller value. Highest value minus the smallest value. So range means 30 minus 1 is equal to highest value minus the smallest value is equal to range. So highest is 13 value, smallest is to 1. So 13 minus 1 is equal to 12, which is range, which is range. You have to do like this. You have to do like this. This is most important questions for you. For practice mean, median, mode, range. Again, I will practice mean, median, mode, and range. Mean, median, mode, and range. Mid, median, mode, and range. Mid, median, mode, and the range. We'll give what types of questions now. Mid, median, mode, and range. I will give one relations to concept. I'll teach you mode relationships. Yes, mode relationship. If you don't understand, you have to focus here. There is the relationships of mode, backbone of mode. Yes, there is the relationships of mode. Yes, relations among uh, relations among these mean, median, mode. These theory we get, that is a mean, median, mode relationships. So mean minus mean is equal to 3 times mean minus median. You have to understand this formula. This is very important. This mean minus mean is equal to 3 mean minus 3 median. This is most important formula to run, or you have to do in concept. This mean minus their mean, there is subtract mean minus 3 mean plus minus goes on this plus sign, 3 median is equal to mode, is equal to mode, is equal to mode, that is in negative sign, go on this positive sign, mode. Yes, mean minus 3 mean is equal to minus 2 mean plus 3 mean median is equal to mode. So this mode is equal to, this mode is equal to this 3 median minus 2 mean. So you have to understand this formula. So you have to understand this formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. If you don't know anything, then you have to read this formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. If you don't know anything, then you have to understand. So mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. If you don't know anything, then you have to understand this formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 means. And I will give you one conceptual question. I will give you one conceptual questions. UNCPTU. That is conceptual questions. I will give you very important. That is conceptual questions. Yes, this is looking like as bigger question, but the answer is very subtle. So subtle is better. You have to understand like this. Question is like this. This is bigger question, but answer is very subtle. This is question is like this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yes, then I'll write here. If a new term, if a new term is added, if a new term is added the list above, to the list above, if new term is added to the list above, what should be? What should be? What should be the value? What should be the value? Value of the new term. What should be the value of the new term? So that, the standard deviations, so that the standard deviation, so that the standard deviations of the finals, of the final. This is very tricky. Of the finals list in the minimum. I'll give you trick now. If in the case of minimum, there is option 20, B 30, C 50, D 55. You have to study one times. Yes, this 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is given. And if a new term is added to the list above, then what should be the value of the new term so that the standard deviation of the final list is in the minimum. So if there is question in the minimum, then you have to take the median. Yes, if the question is in the minimum, if the question is in the minimum, then you have to take the median. If the question is in the minimum, if there is written minimum, so you have to take the median. So median of this question is 50. So median of this question is 50. So answer is C number. So answer is 15. If there is mention minimum, so answer is in medium. So median is the 50. If there is maximum, if question is given in maximum, then you have to go more than median. Then you have to write in more than medium. That is the right answer. If question is mentioned in this case minimum, then you have to write median is the answer. Median is the answer. So median is 50 is the correct answer. If question is given in maximum, then answer will be more than medium. Then answer will be more than medium. Then the answer will be more than median. 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 Next questions, again you have to do practice. This is bigger questions but smarter question. Bigger but smarter. Subtle is better, you have to understand. Subtle is better. The mean of integer, the mean of the integer, that is a b c and d. That is a b c d. And e is 65. This is important question. E is 65 and the median is 55, suppose. And the median is 55. Question is like this, and the median is 55. As if a less than equal to b, less than equal to c, less than equal to d, less than is equal to e. Suppose question is like this, and um, e, is suppose uh, 55. Yes, suppose this is 55. Median is 55. If less than a, b, c, d, and e, up to e is less than, up to e, s is less than e, then then what could then what could be the minimum, then what could be the minimum then what could be the minimum value of E? What could be the minimum value of E? You have to understand this question. This is the most important question. What could be the value of E? The medium, the mean of the integer A, B, C, D, and E is 65. And the median is 55. Median is mentioned 55. If A, B, C, A less than B less than C less than D less than E, then what could be the minimum value of E? Option is like this: 60, 50, 80, 90. Now we have solution. Now we have solutions. Now we have solutions. This A less than equal to B less than C less than D less than E as, and this C is the median. There is mention median is C. So you have to do like this, and this um, C, which is the median, this C middle term, which is the median, and E minimum, then E minimum is equal to 65. Total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, total number is 5. So 2 minimum is equal to 65. 2 minimum is equal to 65 into 5. So 2 minimum, 2 minimum, 2 minimum is equal to 65 into 6 means 3 to 5. Yes, and this is all is in, these all are in 55. This median is 55. ABC are in median, so 55 plus 2A minimum is equal to 325. Yes, we have to do total sum. Yes, 2E minimum is equal to 325 minus this total, that will be 160. Yes, 325 minus the total sum, 55 plus 55 plus 57, then it will goes on 160. Then E minimum is equal to 160 divided by 2, that is 80. That is 80. So answer goes on C number. So that answer goes on C number. So that answer goes on C number. So that answer is in 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 C number. Now we'll move on some tips and tricks for standard deviations. We will have some concept about standard deviations. Now we'll practice more question today. Now we'll move on standard deviations. Standard deviation. We'll move on today. Standard deviations. Yes. We'll move on the topic of standard deviations. Yes. Then what's the definitions of standard deviations? Standard deviations, I'll write definitions. Yes. Standard deviations signify, standard deviation signify how, signify standard deviation signify how much the data, how much the data, this is very important, how much the data is deviated, how much the data is deviated or scattered, or dispersed. You have to understand disperse. Yes, from the mean value, from the mean value. Write down in comment, are you understanding or not? I will give on tricks of understanding this standard deviation. Tricks of solving this standard deviation question. Standard deviations is signify how much the data is deviated or scatter or dispersed from the mean value. Standard deviation means it signifies that how much data is deviated or scatter or dispersed from the mean value. That is considered as standard deviation. That is called standard deviations, and will provide you tricks. You will provide tricks that more scatter the data. This is trick. More scatter the data, more scatter the data, higher standard deviations, higher standard deviations. Less scatter the data, less scatter the data, lower standard deviation. Yes. Now we'll provide you questions by this trick. You have to read this trick. You have to read this trick, which has maximum, which has maximum standard deviation. Yes, T means standard deviation. You have to understand which has maximum standard deviations. 1, 2, 3, yes. 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. D number is 4, 8, 12. The maximum is, if you are going to find this maximum standard deviation, if you are going to find maximum standard deviation, then more scatter the data, higher the standard deviation. So this is more scatter. 4, 8, and 12. 4, 8, 12 is more scatter. There is 2 scatter, 4 scatter, there is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2 only, there is 3, 3 only, but there is 2 and 4. So there is more scatter the data, so there is more standard deviation. You have to read this trick. More scatter the data, higher standard deviation. Less scatter the data, lower standard deviation. Lower standard deviation, I will give one questions also. Which has minimum standard deviation, which has minimum standard deviation. 1, 2, 3, same number I will give. Yes, D number is child at bar. Minimum standard deviation, A number is minimum standard deviation. How? There is less scatter, so less standard deviation. There is less scatter, so there is less standard deviation. There is less scatter, so there is less standard deviation. There is less scatter, so there is less standard deviation. There is less scatter, so there is less standard deviation. There is less scatter, so there is less standard deviation. There is less scatter, so there is less standard deviation. You have to understand this. There is less standard deviation, more scatter the data, higher the standard deviation. You have to understand. And I will give you tips and tricks for this standard deviation. One, standard deviation practice. This is standard deviations. This is VBI. VBI. Question is like this. Find out standard deviation. 1, 7. Suppose this question is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the standard deviation. Find standard deviation. Yes. Find standard deviations. Question is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Then you have to do solutions. This is most important question. Option number A is root 2, B is root 3, C is root 5, D is root 6. Then how to solve this question is standard deviation. First, you have to go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arrange. Yes, and we have to go on standard deviation. First, find you have to mean. Mean means total sum divided by total number of item. You have to do like this, and there is 5 number 5. So mean 15 divided by 5 means 3. Mean is 3. This is most important questions. This question you have to find standard deviation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and first you have to find mean. First you have to find means. This total sum divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll go on divide 5. That is 15 divided by 5 means 3. Then for standard deviations, yes. For standard deviations, you have to do this 1 minus this 3. 1 minus 3 means minus 2. Plus this 2 minus 3 means minus 1 square, plus 3 minus 3 means 0 square, plus this 4 minus 3 means 1 square, plus 5 minus 3 means 2 square, and divided by this 5, and you have to do in root. You have to do in root, then standard deviations will come. 2 square means 4, 1 square means 1, plus 0 square means 0, 1 square means 1, plus 2 square means 4. This divided by 5. Yes. Then 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 divided by 5. Then 10 divided by 5 means root 2. 10 divided by 5 means root 2. So standard deviation root 2. Standard deviation root 2. Standard deviation just means root 2 is the answer. Root 2 is the answer. So option A is correct answer. So option A is correct answer. So option A is correct answer. Options A is correct answers. Thank you for you, all of you, for watching this video. Thank you to all of you, Mr. Rosans. Thank you to all of you today only up to here.